Hi, I'm Brian from Syntax Technologies. You can contact me with this information. We'll continue with our SQL accounting system training. In today's lesson, we'll understand how GST works in SQL accounting system. So in SQL, whenever you key in one transaction, the system actually will check whether your customer or supplier have any tax code setting. If not, the system will actually check the item. Is there any tax code setting? No, then system will use the global setting or default setting. After initiate the GST module, under Tools, Options, Customer, the system already help you to set the default output tax as SR. If in general, your business, the output tax is not SR, then you can change accordingly. Maybe you are selling books or vegetable, then of course the default output tax cannot be SR. It should be ZRL, zero rated local supply. So for supplier side, we will also set as TX. If not, then you can change accordingly. So to anyone that's using an accounting system, or you are accountant, or you are businessman, or you are doing something related to account, GST is not 6%, but the 23 GST tax code. You must understand the tax code. May not be the total 23, but at least about 10 GST tax code that is really important and relevant to you. You must understand, such as SR and TX will be the most important. So let's take a look. Example, you do have export, then we understand that for export customer, with customer, maintain customer, export customer, let's say this is overseas customer, we export to them. So the tax code should be ZRE. So you can see that you only need to set this if your customer is not using SR. You do not need to go to every customer and set it. So for supplier, maybe you always purchase from a supplier that is non-registered. So what you need to do is just go to that supplier, maintain supplier, let's say Lion Handphone, edit, under the tax you set as NR. So you learn another tax code. For supplier that's non-registered, the tax code should be NR. So same, you only need to set this if the tax code is not same as the default, which is TX. So let's say you also sell zero rated item. So we need to maintain a stock. Let's say book. You sell book. So the output tax should be ZRL, which is local, zero rated local supply, or if fall under the zero rated list. So input tax should be ZP, zero rated purchase. Now let's see how it works. So let's go to a sales invoice. So when we sell to a normal customer, let's say Kitty, we select a normal item. So tax code SR have been used. If you remember, when you key in one transaction, the first thing system will do, it will check whether this customer is there any tax code setting. No, there's no tax code setting for Kitty. The second level system will check the item, the max is prepaid. No tax code setting. So customer no, item no, system will use the default, which is under Tools Option, Customer, SR. This SR is from here. Now let's look at the second item, book. The system will use ZRL. Why ZRL? Again, system will check the three levels. The first level is customer. Customer got tax code setting or not? No. Customer no, we go to item. So if you remember, for the item, books. Yes, there are. There is a setting for output text is ZRL. So this ZRL is from here. Let's do the third example. Let's remove all this first. Remove this. Let's select a customer called US. Overseas customer. Select a normal item. Maxis. It's used ZRE. Why? Because the first thing, check customer. Do customer got text code setting? Yes, ZRE. So that's why when customer got text code setting, we direct use the customer. So this is what we call 3 level. And let's practice over supply again. That means the purchase side. Let's go to purchase. The same thing will happen. We purchase from a normal supplier for normal item. Text code TX have been used. So first checking supplier. Any text code setting? No. Supplier no, we check item. So item got text code setting? No. So we use the global setting under tools option supplier TX. So this TX is from here. And then another item called books. Remember that Maxis there's no setting, but books, yes. Under books, the input text is ZP. So that's why the ZP is from here. So another supplier is called Lion handphone. So a normal item, but this time it will use NR. Why NR? Because the first checking at supplier, there's already a text code setting NR, so that's why the system will use NR. So you must understand how this works. The first level is check customer or supplier, then no text code setting will go to item checking. Is there any text code setting? No, then we use the global setting under tools options customer or supplier. This is very important in order for you to use SQL accounting GST module. So hope you can understand. If you have any problems, do drop by my facebook.com/syntax technologies. Help me to like my page, and you can get all the latest information regarding SQL and also GST. You may also go to my website syntax.com.my. Click on the YouTube. You can have all the previous tutorial video. And once again, I'm Brian from Syntax Technologies. Thank you.